We're moving from the epic firework place to another much larger warehouse, and we will be driving in the fire truck. This is the best day of my life. Woo!
Normal truck.
I know everybody's wanted to do this.
And not levers.
Gauges.
It's already set up for that. Don't move, don't move.
Here we are, inside the fire truck.
We'll put these on.
We just switched drivers to Taylor. Taylor's taking off. You feel safe?
No.
I just discovered the best part. America! Woo! So we just pulled up in our fire truck to the second warehouse full of fireworks. Pre-4th of July, this was 100% full of fireworks. Now it's just got a few. These are our homeboys here.
Just got a few left.
Just got a few fireworks left.